If you want to achieve a glow like so, I'm going to be reviewing the Chanel Mademoiselle body oil and letting you know if this is worth the splurge or not. The Mademoiselle body oil is incredible. The fragrance was launched in 2001. Chanel is a brand from France. If you don't know her story, she was a woman who worked her way up and eventually created an empire that nowadays everyone is still obsessed with her work. She has purses, she has clothes, shoes. There's a little bit of everything under the stars in her boutique, and if you ever get a chance to go, you're gonna find Mademoiselle. The body oil, you could get it at Bloomingdale's, you could get it at Saks, or you can get it directly in the boutique. The Mademoiselle fragrance itself, you can smell it from a mile away. It smells incredible and it has a very distinct scent. It's one of those scents that lingers, so when you put it on, people are going to notice it. And if you love to travel, use this on a trip because every time you smell it, it's gonna take you back to that place. So a little bit on the bottle, it does come with a little cap and then you remove it and the oil is a spray. Oops. And as you guys can see, it's a very beautiful, healthy glow. It is oily, but at the same time, it dries down and just leaves a healthy glow. I also really like that it leaves the skin very, very smooth, and that's because it's formulated with several luxurious oils to achieve a very beautiful and natural glow. You can apply this all throughout your body and it's going to radiate that signature Mademoiselle scent. The bottle, in my opinion, does bring a significant amount of product and it's beautiful. Now I'm gonna take you along the scent and explain to you what the scents are. So, how I would apply this oil is a little bit different. I would apply it backwards, so first the moisturizer and then I would add the oil, and I do this because I want for the oil and the scent to really stand out. If you want to layer a moisturizer on top of your skin right before the oil, I would suggest going for a scent that maybe doesn't have such a strong, powerful scent behind it, but rather something that's a little bit more neutral, unless you want to achieve something called layering in the fragrance world. This oil is perfect for every occasion, so you can wear it during the day or you can wear it during the night. I actually found out through my neighbor that they had launched this back in the day and they had the shimmery one and she had it on and it was beautiful. So if the shimmery one ever comes out, make sure you get that one as well because it's just as good. I'm gonna read to you some of the scents that really stood out to me. So they have Sicilian orange, Calabrian bergamot, lemon, and it has a bright citrusy note to create an energizing and sparkling opening, making the fragrance feel fresh and youthful. The heart notes are rose, jasmine, and lang lang. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. The base notes are patchouli, vetiver, white musk, vanilla, tonka bean, onyx, sweet myrrh. So it's a combination of layers of fragrances that really bring out such a delightful scent. For me, this scent is perfect for any woman, no matter what her age is. You could wear this in your 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s, 40s, 50s, 60s, and so on, and it's a scent that's really going to make you stand out. What I don't like about the fragrance, well, it's expensive. It's a body oil, but it's pricey, and I think that's the only con that I found. But other than that, it's beautifully packaged. It makes the perfect gift for any occasion, and it's such a beautiful fragrance. And Chanel itself is the best gift you can possibly gift any woman. I hope that this video inspired you and hopefully you can achieve a glow and still radiate the most delicious scent in the entire world. I have many more reviews here on my channel. If you like product reviews for these amazing Chanel products, and I have other beauty brand products that I want to review, please let me know in the comments. Share this video, like, and leave me a comment with any questions you might have. or with which types of videos you would like for me to create content with. I will see you next time. Take care. Bye. I hope that you guys loved this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. I've uploaded videos from my last vacation, which I took you to Italy, Greece, and Croatia. I've also reviewed flights like ITA Airways and Air France, business class. I've also taken you on a cruise and giving you a tour of Explorer of the Seas. I hope you subscribe, and I know you'll find a lot of value in all of the videos. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.